Hi, I'm Psychic Shelley Hofberg, and on the last Saturday of every month, I do Heart Space Psychic Fair. This is an ongoing psychic fair on the last Saturday of every month from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific time to 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Pacific time. And there are many psychics and healers to select from. So call for your healing or psychic reading. There are free psychic and metaphysical and healing lectures throughout the day. Call 949-752-5272 to get your healing or psychic reading, or go to their website, heartspaceoc.com, to find out what psychics and healers are available and to find out a list of the lectures that will be presented all day. I will, as a tarot reader and teacher, I will be doing a tarot lecture to promote my ongoing tarot class that I do for Heart Space OC, Learn It Live. And I have been a clairvoyant for 30 years, and my decades of experience and keen insight give me a high level of accuracy. And I am highly intuitive, and I read the psychic energy around you, which allows me to receive information, hone in on your relationship, career, finance, family issues. And as a master tarot reader and a teacher, I can receive detailed information about your past, present, and future. As a clairvoyant, I consider myself to be a spiritualist and an instrument for intuitive wisdom to flow through me. And I am also a gifted pet psychic.